on to your hats. You're about to witness a spectacle of epic proportions. Gigantic chainsaws, monstrous trees, and the sheer force of nature unleashed. This video redefines the meaning of extreme. The logger expertly wielded her chainsaw, its high-powered engine roaring as she made precise cuts into the massive trunk. Safety gear in place, she calculated each incision, ensuring a controlled fall. This giant, perhaps a centuries-old redwood, would soon meet its end, providing valuable lumber for countless uses. He faces not only the immediate flames, but also potential hazards like smoke inhalation and unpredictable fire behavior. Take a look at that Ursus C360. That's classic Polish craftsmanship at its best. It might have an old school look, but once you get behind the wheel, you'll feel the power. The farmer isn't just steering, it's an experience. They work as one, pushing through to get the job done. Trust me, the results truly speak volumes. The Wood-Mizer LX50 Super Sawmill is a versatile tool designed for both hobbyists and small businesses looking to maximize efficiency and precision in cutting lumber. With its ability to handle logs up to 26 inches in diameter and cut boards up to 60 centimeters wide and 20 centimeters thick, it's perfect for creating 2x10-inch boards, approximately 5.08 centimeters by 25.4 centimeters. Equipped with features like manual blade tensioning and a durable X-frame bed, this sawmill ensures accurate and reliable cuts. Whether you're crafting custom wood projects or processing larger quantities of lumber, the Wood-Mizer LX50 Super delivers the performance and flexibility you need. You know, I was considering making a salad, but then I stumbled upon this video. Suddenly, croutons don't seem quite as thrilling. These guys are living life on the edge. It makes me want to climb a tree, and maybe just give it a big ol' hug. Cutting down a tree, whether you are an expert or a novice, is not a simple task. One mistake, and the situation can quickly become dangerous.
Move out of the way.
Come on, women.
That's exactly why you should maintain a safe distance from places like this. Tree was heavily back-weighted by some big limbs, and the main trunk looked to be compromised with decay. A little aerial work would have saved the day. I know these guys were supposed to be pros, but if a guy showed up on my job in shorts, I'd send him to the beach to get a tan on those white legs. Or maybe his tube socks were actually designer chaps. The Gladiator M12 Turbo Sawmill from Turbo Sawmill is a robust and versatile tool tailored for both professionals and woodworking enthusiasts. Powered by a 30-horsepower Honda engine and featuring bi-directional cutting capabilities, this machine can easily handle standard 30 centimeters by 30 centimeters logs, as well as larger logs up to 28 centimeters by 61 centimeters. With its efficient automated functions and durable frame, it's an outstanding option for streamlining the sawing process. It's a joy to witness this beautiful Serbian tradition known as MOBA. The video captures how they use horses to transport wood, and the sounds of hooves, wood, and laughter are truly touching. It's impressive how they've managed to preserve this ancient custom in today's world. It truly reflects their deep sense of community and reverence for their heritage. This isn't your grandpappy's sawmill. K&B's 6-foot double-cut head rig is a powerhouse of a machine, built for accuracy and performance. Equipped with dual cutting blades, it effortlessly slices through logs, reducing waste and maximizing output. The end result? Premium lumber perfect for everything from elegant furniture to durable flooring. This exemplifies synergistic efficiency. Deploying a chainsaw in tandem with a bulldozer for tree removal optimizes both power and precision. Note the strategic cuts made by the sawyer to direct the fall, maximizing the bulldozer's leverage.
Go! Easy, 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 easy. All right. Go! Go on, go on. It's a big old tree.
Ever struggled with those tough stumps that just won't move? Well, with the Forest Mower Force 225, featuring tungsten carbide blades on the hammer, you can kiss those headaches goodbye. They'll be shredded into mulch in no time.
nice hinge sound.
A close call on the ground. That's tree removal. High risk, high excitement, and never a boring moment. The WB2000 leverages cutting-edge laser-guided technology to maximize output while minimizing waste. Its highly precise cutting system guarantees dimensional accuracy within 0.1 inches, surpassing industry standards. With an optimized blade design and a high-torque motor, it delivers exceptional cutting efficiency, reducing energy consumption by up to 15%. This results in greater lumber production and substantial cost savings for your operations. Freshly cut logs, now neatly arranged like oversized pickup sticks, are loaded onto waiting trucks, prepared for their journey to the sawmill. There, they'll be transformed into everything from sturdy furniture to delicate crafts. Let's dive into the Ponce Ergo, a game-changing machine in the logging industry. Powered by a powerful 268 horsepower Mercedes engine and featuring 8-wheel drive, it effortlessly tackles the toughest terrain. With a hydraulic crane that reaches up to 36 feet, it ensures precision when handling and lifting even the largest trees. If you're a logger seeking top-tier performance, the Ergo is the ideal choice. The Red Roo SP5014 TRX stump grinder is a powerful and versatile machine designed for efficient stump removal, even in hard-to-reach areas. Powered by a 40-horsepower Briggs & Stratton Vanguard EFI engine, it offers exceptional performance with a cutting depth of up to 12 inches below ground level. With its compact design, intuitive controls, and durable construction, the SP5014 TRX ensures precision and ease of use. Whether for residential or commercial use, this stump grinder is built to handle tough jobs with confidence and reliability. Oh, imagine going for a walk in the woods and see a guy with an AK shotgun repeatedly shooting a tree. If you're wondering what a fully functional sawmill looks like, be sure to check out our video and share your thoughts in the comments. Ah, the fascinating world of logging. Observe the precision required. Our lumberjack, undeterred by the elements, skillfully employs time-honored techniques to bring down these towering trees. And the logistics? A daunting task, masterfully managed with the aid of advanced machinery. It's truly a testament to human ingenuity and adaptability. This is gold, the absolute perfect footage for my Dangerous Jobs series. The snowy backdrop, the icy road, and the raw power of the truck make it visually breathtaking. Time to layer in some epic music. That's why you step back and give the tree space. Because even when you think you've got it all figured out, nature has a way of knocking you down a peg to teach you a lesson. Wow, this debarker is absolutely mind-blowing. Check out how quickly it's getting the job done. I definitely need to add one of these to my workshop. Seriously though, does anyone know the brand? Drop a comment below if you have any ideas. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire.
刹着车 ，Oh my god! Oh my god!
Intorex automatic wood lathes are revolutionizing the wood-turning industry. What makes them stand out? For starters, precision and efficiency. Their CNC series, including models like the CKI 1500/2500 and CKX 600/1300/1600, is packed with advanced features like pneumatic loading systems, and independent cutting gouges. The payoff? Top-tier results, whether you're crafting custom designs or handling small batch production. Wow, this guy's chainsaw skills are absolutely mind-blowing. I can't even cut bread that smoothly. Sawmills might as well shut down because he's doing such an incredible job. Major props to him. Sometimes you need a crane that does it all, maneuvering tight spaces, handling heavy loads, and doing it with pinpoint precision. Enter the NOE 170-4R. Imagine this, 15.5 tons of lifting power packed into a compact design, measuring just 5.73 meters long and 2.55 meters wide. With the Epsilon crane, you're always in control, even in the toughest situations. And those 28 WL-2620 PR tires, they give you the grip and stability of all-wheel drive, making it a game changer for getting the job done right. We hope this video ignited your passion for forestry and inspired you to learn more about this vital industry. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting forestry content coming your way.